All right, let's get some real work done.
All right.
Transmissions.
Okay.
Okay, so we have training.
What do you mean it like that?
You say your sister, we said a training.
Oh, damn! I hope Olivia's not watching this show.
Okay, so here's a trap door. It goes on there like this, I think. Yes. We got two sets of gears over here that need to go into that.
I would like to know why it's called a trapdoor.
Because that's a Sportster terminology and that's what we call it.
Okay.
Because it's a trap.
Is there some sort of trap here?
Yes, it's called
Like, are you trying to trick me into something?
If you've ever been on a Sportster, you would know. I think they call it an access door.
I'm not one of those guys that bought a Sporty and then transferred up to the big bike. I just bought the big bike. Listen, you don't want to say anything bad about Sportsters. It hurts Tatro's feelings.
Yeah, sure. Where'd my rag go? Lost my rag already. Where'd my rag go? Just my new rag? Okay.
Okay, main shaft, right? Counter shaft.
Now these are dry. So we got two options. We can try to lubricate this stuff or just say to hell with it. I'm sure that's not too dry, is it? And we put oil in this thing, we're going to have the thing jack up there, let it just start running as soon as the motor starts. So it lubes itself as it's running. You have to get the bike jacked up in gear. What do you want to do?
I want to lube this fucker up. I want to put a little.
You don't like that?
I want to put assembly lube on it.
Oh. Well, you got to take it all apart to do that.
I do not want to put assembly lube on it.
This one we have access to. You want to lube this one?
Yeah.
I'm sure in there. Where's your lube?
Underneath and on top?
I don't care, just put it on there. Yeah, it's good. All right, don't overdo it. Come on, this is
So you got to roll it up like it's spaghetti.
This is TV.
See, it's all about the technique, guys. If you buy this product, I do have to say it is a good product. Does what it's supposed to, but it's like
This one's not making noise anymore.
it's like eating spaghetti. You got to twist it up like your fork. You got to do the same thing with this bottle.
Yeah, we're gonna do about this one.
Let's see if we can sneak a little down in there somehow or something. You know, what we got to lose?
Right there on top. Just cut a hole. All right.
I don't think that's really getting in anything.
We'll come back in an hour, it might be in there.
Yeah, maybe.
Sounds like it's in there already. You can barely hear it. See, this one's quiet. Yeah, it's working great.
Oh yeah, perfect. It's perfect.
Try some on this side. Probably there's a washer right there blocking it, so I don't know what it really does. Not much.
Yeah, you're right. Probably not much.
Well, you lubricate the two washer sides, but the variant's still dry. Like I said, you start the bike up, have it up in the air.
In gear, you're saying, right?
Yeah.
So it just starts slinging.
Yeah. Okay, put some oil in there. There's a hole. Where's the slot in that thing? I don't see the slot. There it is over there. Yeah, just put the thing in lower or second gear, whichever one. Probably not low. Put it in second gear. You're just going to idle it anyway. And just let it run a little bit. The oil will go right in. If you stop it after about a minute, let it sit for 30 seconds and do it again.
Mm-hmm.
And let the oil soak in while it's not running.
Mm-hmm.
And do that 2 or 3 times, it'd be fine. Yeah, the oil does get in there eventually. It just has to work on it. Okay. You got enough on that one. Okay. Enough plan.
Right. Arachne.
So, these have to go together as a unit, you can't just put one in.
Right, they have to.
So you gotta kind of mesh them together, preferably in the correct order. And make sure that you support the side over here that's gonna fall off with your finger. Like this. Turn that back over this way so you get to it. See how I'm holding it? Flat. See how I'm holding it? See if you can see anything. I'm hooked on something. There it is.
Unimus.
So there you go now. And it fell off.
I was so intimidated by this.
We need a 2x4.
TV.
Let gravity help us, not hurt us.
Yep.
This intimidated you?
Super intimidated me.
We never took it apart, that's why there's nothing to be intimidated by. Because now you got everything in there like it's supposed to be. Now, this only works if you have the tool that actually pulls this back on. Because normally I take this, I put in the press over there, I press them together. Then I put the whole assembly in. We didn't do that. We didn't take it apart that way either, remember? Okay, so everything rotates like it's supposed to, so far. We didn't mix up any of the spacers. And if you notice, you have roughly the same height between all of these. I don't know why this one's not sticking up further, but
Not true.
it's,
These are not the same.
my guess is that this is going to come out further like this. Let's sit there.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
But the distance from here to here is semi-equal,
Yeah.
because this washer is different thickness than this washer.
Oh yeah.
They look different too. All right, so this thing's got some lube on these bearings, and we're going to need a gasket also to go on that.
Just
Yeah.
roll around, yeah.
Just put some in there, not a lot. Just put some in there and rotate it around a couple times. It'll lubricate the things. You know, on the outside and the inside edge both need to be lubed. The rollers will rotate and mix it between the two surfaces pretty quickly. Alright, just put your fingers in there, rotate them. Yep, that's all it takes.
Both sides?
No.
No, good.
Are the bearings lubed? Should be able to feel them.
Yeah.
Got drag on them?
A little.
Oh yeah, there you go. All right, need a gasket.
Need stuff off your gasket surface too, don't you? Alright, we got 3 gaskets here. So it looks like it's gonna be the one we play with right here.
One that looks like it fits, yeah, that's the one. So you gotta make sure this lines up. This is top. So you know, like that. There's a dowel pin hole right back there. And see how it lines up perfectly?
Oh yeah, it's great.
So maybe go the other direction with it. What do you think? Oh, that one looks a lot better.
No, turn it back the other way.
It was 50-50 chance, not the 100% chance of getting it wrong, which is normal. All right, there you go. That's what it looks like. All right, we're going to get the tool out. We'll be right back.